I've never dealt with these problems before. I'm the on-site assistant property manager, and not knowing which way to turn, I was lucky and came upon Kelley Construction, which has taken the matter in their hands and are doing an outstanding job of cleaning up and restoring the Maple Crest apartment complex. Thank God we have Bear Insurance Company who's handling our claim and processing everything through Kelley Construction for us. Kelley Construction Company came to the Maple Crest apartment complex very courteous, very professional, and doing the job necessary to restore the residents' apartments back to where above and beyond. Job well done by Kelley Construction Company. Goodness, and it's really tough to rate Kelley Construction Company. They say on a scale of 1 to 10 when they've been above